Hello my dear students and welcome back to Balaji Online Classes. I am Rabia Khatun and today I will be teaching you English Grammar of class 7th. We will be studying chapter number 27 of your book and the name of the chapter is No One is Perfect. So this chapter is basically a comprehension, a short passage in which a passage is given, a short story is given, and according to that you have to answer some questions. Okay, so let's study this passage. No one is perfect. This is a small story of a water bearer, a person who takes water from one place to other. This is a story about him. A water bearer in Nepal had two large pots that he would carry to the river to fill water every day. Each water pot hanging on the one end of the pole, which balanced across his shoulders. One of the pots was perfect and always delivered a full measure of water at the end of the long walk from the river to the water bearer's house. The other had a crack and would arrive only half full. So he used to take, as in the figure you can see, if you have opened your book, just see in the figure that the water bearer is carrying a stick on his shoulder and on the both ends, both poles, he is hanging two pots. So among those two pots, one was without a crack and it was all fine, and it used to take the whole of the water which is filled in it to the house where he was taking it, and the other pot had a crack in it, so the other pot, the pot which had a crack, could take only half of the water और half of the water उसका रास्ते में गिर जाता था क्योंकि उसमें एक क्रैक था. So one जो था जब उसमें क्रैक नहीं था वो पूरा water घर तक ले जाता था, but जो दूसरा pot था उसमें एक क्रैक था, that's why only half of the water reached home. One day, the leaking pot spoke to the water bearer saying, I feel that I should apologize to you. Why? Asked the water bearer. So one day, the pot that was having the leakage, that was having a crack, said to the water bearer that I think I have to apologize you. I think I must say sorry to you because I am not able to carry full of the water to your house. So the water bearer asked, why do you want to say that? The leaking pot explained, during these past 2 years, I have only been able to deliver half my load because this crack in my side causes the water to leak out all the way back to the house. Because of my flaw, you do all this work, yet do not get full value for your efforts. So the pot which had a crack said that you do all the efforts, you take full of the water there, but only half reaches your home. Because of this crack, I am not able to carry full of the water to your house. That's why I should say sorry to you. I should apologize to you. The water bearer felt sorry for the old cracked pot and said, as we return to my house, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path. So the water bearer said to the pot that was leaking, he said to the pot that as we will go home, you just notice the flowers along the path. Path पर जो भी flowers होंगे आप तुम उन्हें notice करना. Indeed, as they went up the hill, the faulty pot took notice of the beautiful wildflowers on one side of the path. When they arrived home, the man asked the pot, did you notice that there were flowers only on your side of the path but not on the other side? So when they reached, while on the way, the cracked pot noticed the flowers that were lying on the side of the road, and when they reached home, the water bearer asked, did you notice the flowers? They were only at your side. जिस side पर तुम रहते थे 2 years से, उसी side पर वो flowers निकले थे और दूसरी side पर नहीं निकले थे. Did you notice that? क्या तुमने वो चीज notice की? That's because I've always known your flaw and put it to good use. और water bearer ने कहा that I know that it is your fault, but मैंने उसे हमेशा एक good use के लिए use किया और मैंने उस जगह पर flowers के seed डाल दिए थे और daily जब हम लोग उधर से आते थे तो वो pot से water गिरता था और वो water कर देता था उन seeds को, इसीलिए वहाँ पर इतने अच्छे से flowers निकल आए. And ये सिर्फ जिस साइड पर वो क्रैक्ड पॉट होता था उसी साइड पर ये फ्लावर्स निकले, दूसरे साइड पर नहीं निकले, जस्ट बिकॉज द पॉट वाज वाटरिंग द सीड्स ऑफ द flowers. That's because I've always known your flaw and put it to good use. I've planted flower seeds on your side of the path, and every day as we walk back from the river, you water them. For 2 years, I've been able to enjoy these beautiful flowers without your being just the way you are, there would have been so much less beauty in my life. And the water bearer said that because of you, these beautiful flowers have grown and there has come such a beauty in my life. So अगर आप नहीं होते, अगर ये cracked pot नहीं होता, अगर उसमें से water नहीं गिरता, तो फिर ये flowers, इतने beautiful flowers ना निकलते और मेरी life में इतनी beauty ना होती. So thank you, my friend. And the water bearer ended up saying that thank you because of these beautiful flowers that you have done. So the story teaches us that no one is perfect. The pot that was perfect could not flower those beautiful plants, but the pot that was having a crack, उसका क्रैक की वजह से वो जो वाटर गिर रहा था उसको एक अच्छे यूज के लिए यूज किया गया और वहां पर इतने अच्छे से फ्लावर्स निकल आए. So that was the story. I hope you have understood whatever I have explained to you. For the better understanding of this chapter, you can read it by your own. The notes of this chapter you will be getting on School Mitra app. You can download it from there and complete your work in your book and copy. Until my next video, bye bye and take care.